In this video, I will show you how to get a job at Walmart. So first of all, open any browser, and then from here, just type in Walmart and then jobs. And once you do that, you will see this option all the way at the top saying Walmart careers, and this is where you need to click on. So once you land on this page, you can just click on all career areas, and then you have a drop-down menu of areas where you want to have a job in. So you can select stores and clubs, corporate, healthcare, technology, or drivers and distribution centers. Let's say you want a job at a store, then you're going to select this, and then you can keep it on all locations, and then you can just click on the search icon, and now you will find every job that Walmart is offering at this moment in stores. And on the left side, you can just filter on certain things like brand, employment type, and rate. And let's say you want a full-time job, then you're going to select this, and now you can just select a location as well. You can also filter on the location. So for this, you need to fill in the city. So let's say we want it in San Bernardino. We're going to click on this. And now you will find every job that is available in San Bernardino for a Walmart store that we selected. So let's say you are interested in this hourly supervisor in training. Then we're going to click on this job. And then you can see where this job is and that the employment type is full and part-time. You can see the requisition and that you're going to be paid hourly. And when you scroll down, you will find all of the job descriptions, and you can find everything that is included in this job. And if you want to apply, you're going to scroll all the way up, and then you're going to click on apply. And now you need to click on I agree with the terms and the conditions, then click on continue, and then you will land on the hiring center. And for this, when you're a new candidate, then you need to find a job and then create an account to apply. So if you don't have an account yet, then go ahead and create an account. You can do that by clicking on search for a job, and then just select something you want, and then let's say San Bernardino, then click on search. Then select this Walmart, click on continue, and then you need to search for the job that you want to apply for. So let's say that it's this one, then you click on select and then click on continue, and then you need to fill in some things, including the shifts and stuff like that. So let's say when in mid shift and closing, and then something like this, then click on continue. And now you can create your account in the Walmart Hiring Center. So just go ahead and fill everything in that you need to fill in. And after you have created your account, you can go through the application process, and then you can fill in everything, including your resume, CV, and stuff like that. So that is how you get a job at Walmart. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.